Okay, peace be upon you, all of you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, all of you. I wish you all in good health and I wish you enjoyed your vacation. Welcome back. We will start the first topic with the second semester. Inshallah, we will start with chapter number 4, module number 4. Module number 4, handling data, okay? Handling data. Okay, page 61. Page 61 is okay. So if you have your book, could you open your book and follow me with page 61? What we'll talk about, we'll talk about handling data, or inside brackets, LibreOffice Base. LibreOffice Base. It's equal Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access or Microsoft Database. Is okay? So in this module, we will learn step by step how we can create and how we can use database. So before doing anything, we must know what we will do in this chapter, what we will do in this module. We will learn together how we can step by step, how we can learn, how we will learn how we can create and how we can create and how we can use our database. Okay? After that, we will learn how we can make a report, how we can make macro. Okay? So, first, we will learn how we can organize our data. And we will talk about organize our data, we will use table. We will use table. So, the first thing we will learn together how we can create a table. Because if you don't have a table, it's mean you cannot create any database. So the core, our core of Microsoft database, it's a table. It's a table, okay? So today, I will make it here, yeah. Yeah, so what I said that we will learn how we can create, okay, data base. Is it clear? Is it clear? Do you hear me?
Yes,
Hey,
it's correct.
good. Okay, so our topic
Yes.
will talk about database. Database. Sometimes you see it like this one, DB. So the short letter DB, it's mean database, okay? Sometimes you say that database, whatever. It's not mine, okay? You will say database or database, whatever, but the meaning is our database. It's okay? So what I need to create a database, I told you now, I cannot create database without our table. So table, okay? So the core, it's called core, okay? The core thing of our database, it's our table. So if you have a table, okay, Baba, if you have a table, we can create our database. So if I'd like to create a database, I must have a table. Okay, so what, mister? So what? Yeah, I will talk about what? The table, it must include something called records. Record. Okay? Record.
Hello,
Oh
Mister.
my,
I'm
what, mister?
sorry.
What, mister? Record.
Hello, Mister.
Hala Saeed, welcome back.
Thank you, Mister. Sorry, I be late.
Okay. So, again, today, inshallah, we will talk about what? We will talk about, we will talk about what? We will talk about database. Database, okay? I told you, if you would like to create a database, you must have a table. I must have what? I must have a table. I must have a table. Okay, but what the table contains? From what? From which content the table will include? What is the table include? Any table we will work together, any table we will work with it, it must have something called record. Mister, what's this record? Record, it's contained the all or the whole data items. The whole data item. I can say the record contains many fields. Many fields. Many what? Many what? Huh? Many fields.
Field.
Yeah.
Fields.
So database contains a table, and a table includes some records, and any record it must has some fields. So what about the fields? Any field it will consider as data item. Data item. Data item. Is okay? This is our
It's
database
okay.
structure. This is our database instruction. What is database? If I'd like to say what is a database, database, it will be a system for organizing data. Like what, mister? Okay, let's make it push. Let's make it push. Okay, look here. I will say I must like this one. I will draw. I will draw. Let's draw it like this. I will draw like this one. So here, yeah, let's me. I will draw. Okay, yeah, yeah. Look at here. I will draw. Sorry for drawing. Yeah, because I use my mouse. Okay. Look here. I have a table, and before we know that our table it must has some rows. So this one is called rows. Okay, right or not? This is rows like this one. Okay, and it has some column like this one. This is a column number one. Okay, column number two, and column number three, and column number four. Do you remember when we used Excel before? This is our table. It's our table, right or not? It's our table, right or not?
Right.
Huh?
Right.
Yeah, this is our table. Yeah. So here.
Yes,
So
yes.
here, look here. I have a table like this one. I have a table like this one. So if I it's like what? It's like presentation. So here it will be ID, okay? ID. Here, first name. It will be first name, okay? I'm sorry because I use my mouse, okay? This one, it last name. Last name, okay? Here, birth, birth date, okay? Okay, guys? Birth date, okay?
Okay.
Here,
Okay.
maybe gender or sex, okay? Sex is mean gender, okay? Gender, okay? And here, maybe nationality, whatever, yeah, nationality, is okay? So here, look here. ID, for example, I will say it's 100. 100, okay? 100. First name, I will use this one, okay? Said. Okay, I will make it, yeah, I will move it like this one. Okay, Said. Okay. Last name, Gad, for example. Is okay? Okay, here.
Okay.
Birth date, my birth date is, for example, I will put it here. 7 7 1977, whatever. Okay, yeah. 7 7 and 1977. Okay, this is my birth date. Okay, and I will put it here. Okay, here it's male, right or not? Male. So male, the short word, it's M. If it's female, it will be F. Okay, so
I remove the sound.
hey Tariq, welcome back Tariq. And nationality, it's Egypt.
Upside, I need to go.
Egypt, okay?
So why you restart again?
Egypt, yeah, here is okay, good. Okay, so another thing, yeah, here, I can make it for, I will make it for 100, like this one, okay? So I will put it here instead of this one. I will make it like this, yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's me erase this one. I use it, yeah, like this, okay, good. I will make it, yeah, 100, like this one. So, Mister, what are you doing, Mister? Okay, I will tell you now. This is 100, okay? Another thing I will have 101, like this one. Another one, yeah, 101. It will be my friend, for example, Mazen, okay? Mazen, for example, okay? And the family name, Hamoud, for example, yeah, is okay. And birth date, 8, 9, 8, 8, 10, and okay, 2000. Here's my friend, for example, yeah, okay. And he is, yeah, let's make it, so, sorry, yeah, I will do it like this. Yeah, it's okay, whatever. Okay, so here, and he is man, of course, he is a male, 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 okay, so I will put it here, male, and he is Saudi, ماشي, is okay, Saudi, Saudi Arabia, okay, Saudi Arabia. Is okay, good now. Here, what's this one called? All this area, what's called? It's called what? Table. It's called what?
Table.
It's called what?
Table.
Table. Okay,
Table.
good. Can anyone describe what the table contains? What the table contains now? What's the table including?
Me,
Could you tell
Mister.
me?
Me.
Yes, Ahmed. Yeah.
Me, Mister.
Yeah.
Not
Tariq.
Ahmed.
Okay,
The name
Tariq.
and the
Tariq. Okay, Tariq.
yes.
Could you tell me what is the table contains?
Contains the date and the name of the person and the country.
Yeah, good. It's contains some information. It's contains somewhat
Information.
some information, right or not?
Yes.
Good. This is a table. Any table, it contains some information. This information may change from one to another one. Is okay? From one to another one. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute, please, okay? I have a paper, I must signature, okay? I must signature that. So wait. Yeah. Of course, just a minute. Yeah. Oh my God, Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Okay.
سعيد.
Yeah.
أبي سعيد.
Hey, Ahmad.
Mister.
Respect yourself, Ahmad. Okay.
Mister, where are you?
Just wait, Ahmad. Okay, because I told you I
Okay.
have a paper. This is, yeah, just only one. Okay. All Wednesday. Yeah, I make it. Okay. Yeah. This one and this one. Okay. Yeah, I know. I know. I know. Yeah. Where is it? I must be. Yeah. In Wednesday. Okay. مناوبة الثانية دي. It's not me here. Every Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, yeah, Thursday. Okay, so today, yeah, okay, good. Okay, thank you. Okay, Hafsa, thank you. Okay, thank you. No, it's okay. No, no, I make it. Okay, thank you. Okay, now here, as Tariq said, we have some information. Okay, so what I'd like to say, any table it must has something. It's called record. Record. Where is the record? The record. It's mean any row, okay? So any row, we will have, it's called what? Record. It's called what?
Record.
Record. So where is the record? This is record. And this one, wait, this one, it's called record too. I have another record. So record. It's the other record, okay? Like this one. Is okay?
Okay.
This one is another record. It's another what? It's another record. So if I like to say, yeah, I have another record here. Yeah, this one. It's another record. So I must draw like this. Yeah, it will be like this. Okay. Hi, Mariam. Mariam, welcome back, Mariam. Mariam. Welcome back, Mariam. Okay. So any table, it must has some records. And any records. This one is called all is this one. All this data, it's called records. So what is the records include? Any record, it must include some fields. Some fields, okay? This one is called field. Where is the field? This one is field, okay? This one is a field, okay? And this is another field. It's another field. This is another field. And field, another field, yeah. Field. So, and go on like this one. Yeah, like this one, yeah. It will be like this. Yeah, this one. And go on. It's okay. So if I like to talk about what is the record, this record about what? About student is called Said, okay, for example, okay? This record include some fields. The first field, it talk about ID number. And another field, it talk about the first name. And a field that talk about the last name. And field that talk about birth of date. Okay? And another field talk about, sex or gender, okay? Gender. And field about nationality. Is okay? And all of our fields, it's called some data item. I can say our fields, it contained data item. Where is our data item? This is our data item. This is our data item. Is okay? Is okay?
Okay.
So I
Okay,
can
okay.
say what? What I can say, if I have, look here, look, if I have item, okay, and I can collect all my item inside one field, okay, one field, and I collect all my fields besides, okay, I will have records, okay, I will have records. If I have many records, I will have a table, and I can collect all my tables inside. I can collect all my table inside DBO data base. Is it clear? Is it
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
Is it
Yes.
clear,
Yes.
Baba? Huh.
Yes.
Yes.
So look here.
أعرف خف صوتك.
Look here. Look at here.
Yes.
If I have some items, okay, like what item? Like ID, okay, like my ID number, like my username, or like my first name, my second name, or my last name, my family name. If I have a nationality, if I have a birth of date, I will collect it all. I will have some fields. If I collect all my fields inside just only one row, so I will have record. If I collect all my record together, I will have a table. If I have many table, that's mean I will design database. So we must
Sir, I don't understand.
okay, I will repeat it again, Mariam, whatever. Okay, so today we will talk about database. What is the meaning of database? Database, it's a system for organizing data, okay? So it's the first concept. Today we will learn some concepts. The first concept we'll talk about what is database. Database is the system for organizing data. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes.
So if
Yes.
I have many data, I have a way to organize all my data. This way, or this system, it's called database. This is a table for our database. It's one example for a table about database, okay? Database collection of rows, okay, and fields, or we can say database, it's some table about something, okay? Database, it's
Okay.
a collection of tables talk about just only one thing or certain thing, okay, certain thing. So it's a table. Database, it's sum of tables. What is a table? Database table, it's where we save our data after organizing them. Is okay? When I talk about the table of our database, it's where that we can save our database after we organizing. Each table has a header. This header is called fields. It's field title, okay? It's called title, or it's like column. Do you remember column? We will not say a column. We will say it's a field. I have a field that's called ID. Another field it's called first name. Another field is called last name, and go on. When I collect all fields, I will have just only one record. If I collect record with record, I will have a table. Is okay now? Is okay now?
Yes.
Is
Yes.
it okay?
Yes.
Is it
This
okay?
step
Yes.
is only
So,
4 minutes.
Yes.
Again. What is a database? Database is the system for organizing data. Is okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Database must has table. So I said the table, it's our core for any database. So if you don't have a table, you cannot create any database. So first thing we must learn how to create tables. Is okay?
It's okay.
We must
Yes.
learn how we can create a table. After you create a table, you can create a report, you can create macro, you can do anything. Anything we can do it. We can
Mister,
create a
Mister,
form. Yeah.
Mister, I want do macro, Mister, please.
After
Teach me.
that, inshallah, not now. Okay. After we finish, inshallah, with the end of our chapter. Okay. So
Okay. I did.
okay,
Mister.
good.
Mister,
Yes, I have a question. Hey,
Mister,
look here. I have a question. Look here.
Mister.
Mister, you talk about database and Mister, which program we will use it to create our database? Who can tell me? Who can answer me? Which program we will use it to create
Excel.
our database? Huh?
Excel.
Excel, it's not exactly. Excel,
Me, Mister.
we have some table automatically. Do you remember,
Me, Mister.
Mariam? We used Excel
Yes.
to calculate our complex execution or complex equation, right or not? We
Mister, I know, Mister.
Mister, me.
we use Excel to execute the complex equation, right or not? Do you remember?
Yes.
Yes.
But here,
Yes.
which program we will use it, Mr. Said? Which Word? Microsoft
Me,
Word?
Mister.
Huh? Microsoft Word? No, it's not Word.
Yes.
No, it's not
Yes.
Word. Word for writing. Word for deep thinking, Which program?
Is it a Microsoft app?
Microsoft what?
PDF.
Is it a
Max.
Microsoft
Yeah, it's
app?
not
Office.
Microsoft app.
Mr.
It's
Office.
Microsoft Office. This is a family. It's our family.
PDF,
It's called the big family. It's called the big family. It's called Office. But which program of Office we will use it? Okay. Let's say. Look here. If you will work with your computer,
X.
compatible with Windows, we
Mister.
program from Office. It's called Microsoft Access. What's called?
Microsoft
Microsoft
Access.
Access.
Yeah. Access, if you
I
work
have
with Windows, we will use Microsoft MS Access. Is okay?
Okay.
Okay.
It's okay? Good.
Yes.
This if we will work with Microsoft Access. Access for Windows. Okay, mister. If I have a laptop, if I have iPad, okay? If I have iPad, if you will work with Apple, okay? Sorry. If you work with Apple, okay? I will use or OS, Apple or OS, okay?
Mister, it's less than 1 minute left in the Zoom
Wait,
meeting.
yeah, I know. If our
Mister, I say for
if our
you.
Zoom close, come back. Okay, I will use Libreoffice. So I will close this. This session. I will start again. Okay. So don't go anywhere. I will come back. Just only 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, Baba. All of you, don't go anywhere. I will
Yes.
start the session again. See you after less than 1 minute. Okay. Don't go anywhere. I will wait for you. Okay. See